Search is the primary way people find products on Amazon. So being indexed and ranked for so many relevant keywords as possible is crucial to your success as a seller. However, hasty keyword research can lead to much frustration and limit the ability of your optimization in PPC to improve overall profitability and sales volume. If you are not indexed for the correct words, being found by your customers will be difficult at best. As competition has become fiercer in recent, though proper keyword research can play a massive role in overall sales. If you want to create a good ad campaign, you need to be strategic with your keywords. This is Hassan from Ecom Clips. In this video, I will discuss the basic keyword research strategy for Amazon advertising and discover 3 ways to farm the keywords that can bring you the most relevant eager buyers. So let's move on to the screen and stay tuned with me till the end. First ways, I am gonna show you how to collect keyword from search terms. Let's go into any automatic campaign search terms. We can take the following date range. I have selected last 65 days. From here, we can filter search terms that got sales with good echoes within the date range. We can export this data from here and use these keywords in the respective manual campaigns. Second way is we can use keyword from Amazon auto suggestions. Let's go into a manual campaign. From the targeting section, we can add keyword from here. We can filter by match type, set bits rate, and add relevant keywords. Third way is we can use different tools for keyword research. I am going to introduce you some of these tools and discuss how you can use them for keyword research. At first, we need to sign into this software. There are both free and paid versions available, so we can use any of them. From the tools, you will see keyword research option. From Cerebro, you can research keyword by mentioning the product's ASIN and marketplace. After clicking on Get Keyword, you will get the keyword list with search volume and other info. You can export this and extract the best keywords for your products. There are so many filter options. You can also use them and extract the perfect keywords for your products. From Magnet, you can type any keyword and get all relevant keywords and use them. This way, you can extract the best keywords for your products. You need to sign into this software first. From the Keywords tool, you will find the Keyword Scout option. After selecting the marketplace, you can search keywords by mentioning both ASIN and keyword. You can download these keywords with search volume and use the best keywords for your product. This is how you can look up and extract the fantastic key phrases for Amazon. If you have any more confusion, simply let us recognize in the remarks section. We are constantly geared up to assist you. We will be sharing greater advertising related thoughts in our upcoming videos. So don't forget about to like this video and subscribe to our channel Ecom Clips. Thank you.